Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The new Asus ROG Z13 Flow 2025 is reportedly based on AMD Strix Halo silicon, with a GPU that's potentially more powerful than the Radeon RX 7600 XT. Asus is reportedly working on a new gaming tablet with an incredible amount of gaming horsepower under the hood. Details of the new Asus ROG Z13 Flow 2025 tablet have just leaked, showing it using a new AMD Strix Halo chip with an 80W GPU, which looks set to be more powerful than the graphics chip in the PlayStation 5. AMD GPUs are currently used in both the main consoles from Sony and Microsoft right now, and also power several of the best graphics cards available at the moment. However, AMD Strix Halo looks set to really shake up the laptop market when it comes out, by reportedly offering up to 16 CPU cores and up to 2,560 stream processors in its RDNA 3.5 GPU. According to the leak, the new 13-inch Asus tablet will have a 30W TDP thermal design power for its CPU, and an 80W TDP for its GPU, which requires some serious thermal headroom. The Flow Z13 2025 aims to set a new benchmark in this category by integrating the latest and most powerful AMD Strix Halo processors. A diagram of the purported cooling system shows two blower fans on either side, with two large sets of heatsink fins. Asus' current Z13 tablet has a separate Intel Core i9-13900H CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, so it's already pretty powerful. However, getting both parts into a single package enables Asus to save a lot of room in the PCB, and focus its cooling system on just the one chip. According to the latest rumors, AMD's Strix Halo chips can be run with a spectrum of TDP levels, including 55W, 85W, and 120W total, and the Strix Halo GPU portion is larger than the GPU die on the NVIDIA RTX 4070. If the rumors about the Strix Halo specs are true, then this tablet could be a beast with its 40 compute units. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.